abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events planning and management. Bakithi salamukela, and as usual, it's nice to be here. It's mnandi ukuba lapha. Ngihamba lo Leslie inomini.
Yeah.
Inomini. Ngingakamniki ithuba lokuthi akhulume, uyakhuluma kakhulu. Let me just introduce Deb3 Events. It's a company ebona ke ngokuplana ama events, whatever event that you are planning. Deb3 ingakuncedisa ke nge-sound system, ingakuncedisa nge-PA system, stage iyakuncedisa Deb3. So guys, whenever you are planning an event, corporate, social, family, church, charity, community event, just get in touch with Deb3 using the contacts on your screens khona lapho. Then spaces sikhuluma ngalabo abafuna ukunominatwa ama upcoming artists, laba upcame artists. If you need a studio, if you need sound engineering services, if you need rehearsal space, Deb3 ilakho konke khonokho. Photography, videography kukhona njalo. So sengingamnika njoba sengikhulumile, sengingamnika kithuba unomini wethu.
Akula mpembe or something kube lo msindo nje. Angeke ubomba ukuthula phela ukukhuluma
yazi ukuthi i-nomination yakufanela so.
Yamfanela.
Ayakufitha kabi.
Maye lapha benirehesa la. Ukuthi ngiyabe ngithola njani. Senze speech lapha. I'd like to thank I'd like to so benirehesa. So ngizaqhubeka nirehesa even after i-session nxa sengilokho zabantu. I would like to thank my wife and my girlfriend, my angaza.
Wena into usungayenza into le usungayitshontsha ugcina usiyabotshwa. Wese ususithi my wife usuza include lo wife futhi ugcina usiyabotshwa.
All right. This episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic works, from graphic printing, t-shirt printing, cap printing, posters, banners, marketing, whatever that has to do with the marketing. If we tell you of Deb3, if we tell you of Okuhle Designs, we are talking what we know. Let me also proudly brag and say all my shows were done by Deb3 Events, from cameras to lighting to sound system to cinematography. Everything that was in my shows was done by Deb3 Events. So you know how I got nominated. And all my posters and all my graphic works were done by Okuhle Design. So angisoze ngikutshele konke lawe sebenzisa ingqondo anti yazicabangela. So ubusithi mina ukuthi ngingangena ejele.
Yeah, phela ijele ayila ukuthi nguprophet.
Okay.
Ayila ukuthi uyinomini.
Okay.
And ijele futhi uyakwanisa ukudonsa umfazi ungananzelela. Nomfazi la isibone
sengena.
Kuhle kube ifamily yamabhantinti.
My only problem is if film le ngaye ngayibukela eSouth. If you remember some years ago.
What was the title? What was the title?
You don't remember the Bushiri scandal? Same script, same film, and everything.
And you know what? Same sector.
You can say if exactly ngayibukela mina le South.
So guys, we've been seeing a trending prophet. Prophet
Walter Magaya.
So the man is trending here. He's been arrested. And le bodyguard, I wish I could get someone who's as loyal as that guy.
Right. T. Gonzi posted about that guy. You know Tikonzi? There is a hip hop
Yes,
artist
yes,
from
yes.
Harare.
I saw that.
And
yes.
they actually posted Uguti Ule Docket Sibili made a report to anti-corruption autorat and the police station because that guy wamthengisela imota engaso yakhe and
Yes. And he lost. Yeah.
yeah amfanele wa receive anointing esharp ubodcat impartation.
Eish. So he's been arrested for fraud, for abuse,
And many
and
other charges.
and ATC.
Yeah. Kunzima madoda. Osezasinika ama-app mbani eziso umthetho lawo. Phela umdala wayesinika ama-app e-church $10 i-app.
Mina into embowayo kaLeslan is that, and you find ukuthi there are a lot of people, plenty of people that are defending the man.
Which is normal. Kule statement esisikhiwa esijayele ukukhulunywa ukuthi it is difficult to convince a woman that follows a prophet kanjani. Ungakhangela most of abantu abadefender abopapa yini.
But you know what?
But there are people that are very loyal.
Have you seen lately on social media?
Yeah,
Abantu ababhala ama-thread bemdefender, it's men.
Yeah, true.
Did you
true.
see that?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
saw it.
So-
uyabona ukuthi into yakho njani? Fanana la mina ePoreni supporter iLiverpool. And that these days ayenzi kuhle. But amfuni ukuthi wena unjele uthi ayenzi kuhle.
Ufuna kungovuma.
Ufuna yimi mina ngimele ngithi hayi Liverpool. These days ayenzi. So bona because I don't want to bona into yakho. So I'm confused because it could be two things, let's be honest. It could be a script.
Yes.
It could be because
Catch and release.
yeah, it could be a script because ubochwe ngesikhathi church kuma fastings and not alright, and they are using that hashtag yeah upapa ubochwe kuma fastings and so it could be a script, sibile well scripted thing ukupromote ibrand lakhe ele church and also he could have maybe stepped on wrong grounds because this is not the first time.
Ngiyathela imsile engayisiyo.
This is not the first time people have came out and said this guy is doing this and this and this and nothing has happened. You could want to consulize or poster kates with no. For a long time, I reporter, nothing has been done. Now that mbono umuntu lo eqoma in cuffs, lam ngathi wethi inhle mphakame ngecase yami ngoba ngashawa $6,000 and
Yes.
so nxa kuyikuthi iscript well caress kuma all night kuyawugcwele but nxa kuyikuthi egxoba imsila empisi izinja ziyalunga.
So I was actually interested in one of his alleged crimes. If I'm not mistaken, I saw it on Facebook. So I think this is something that happens constantly emphakathini and it's something that people always ignore. Ukuthi umuntu let's say if it's a woman and she consents to sleeping with a person. I know that's slightly different from what I read, right? Consents to sleeping with a guy. And then insists on using protection. The guy insists on not using protection. Give us cancel the consent.
Yeah.
And most people don't really pay attention into that.
Yokuthi anti nxa sesidefendana lapha nti siyabalekela ama basics esiwazi yani yikubona mina these days ngiyathanda uku-attend ama workshop that speak mostly about sexual harassment and not alright phela ngale thina we train kids comedy and theatre so sometimes nzenza into engayisiyo either ngokungazi or something and but uyabona ukuthi imithetho leyo bangaqalisa so ukulandisela so ukuthi wrong so lawe so uyagcina ukubona but I saw another prophet defending my guy saying so nxa kuyukuthi i-rape so I think abantu bacabanga ukuthi i-rape kumele ngubophe ngentambo no ngubophe then ngubophe so then ngufaka ama-sellotape kwama-movie lokha ngufaka ebhuthini.
So my point here, guys, is that a person can want to sleep with you with protection. And when akumelanga umenze alale lawe engelayo i-protection because uconsentile ukuthi but i-consent yakhe lama terms ukuthi let's use protection.
Yeah, I think the easier way to say it is sengingavuma ukuhlangana lawe ngendlela yami. So nxa wena uyehluleka ukuhlangana lami ngendlela yami kasiyekeli.
Exactly.
So wena ungafuna ukuthi kube ngeyakho indlela.
Antuvumile.
Yo. Phela ngisavuma because ayisikho nguvumileyo lokho.
Exactly. Yeah.
But well, I don't know, mina personally umqondo wami khareso sa divided. Mfuna ukuthi ngabe like what happened in SA movie engayibukela. Ngabe maybe ama proceedings akhona mebaba live because there is a lot to learn from that. Ukuthi kuphela kwabe kuzafihlo but I learned a lot from case here South there. I started realizing a lot of things, inconsistencies and blah blah blah. And lami ngafunda kwamba ngaphuma le 2 cents yami. Even labanye ababeqamba manga for the sake of fame you could pick utalo le manga. But lo khuluma iqiniso. Le liyatshontsha futhi igolide you could pick that. And so ngabe yikuthi njilizwe lethu maybe songayicini but for the sake of education yamadoda labantwana abangamankazana notorata and ezintweni zokuvumelana zalezi. I think amakhesi anje ngabe othi ngadlwengula elandisa wonke umuntu ebukela omthetho echasisa ukuthi lapha kwasuka kwaphambaniseka lapha kwasukuphamba.
I think
information eqhathekile.
Yeah. But I think also while it's doing that and we also need to also consider ama victims ukuthi victim uyafuna yini ukwazi
andi bavala
yes
bavala ubuso singabona.
But it's something else.
Yeah,
it's an interesting and ongoing issue esizabe siloke siyilandelela sibona ukuthi kuhamba njani. Now it has been an exciting week.
Yeah.
Exciting and interesting and temperatures.
The best
ama temperatures.
For General Leslie and Tep 3, best week.
Ama BP, ama temperature. So guys, Bulawayo Arts Awards. Ama nominees wabonile aphumile. Ama BP aqansile, ama temperature akhwelile abantu bachiseliwe. And you know what? Despite issue angers and stuff like that, and I am just happy with there is that discourse. Yeah, when people are talking about it, and I actually posted on my Facebook.
Yes, I
this
saw that.
is showing us ukuthi ama BAs are very, very important.
Yeah.
So lokhala bakwenzayo last year lokha
laphana baslimaza laphana because sasisitshela izihlobo zethu siyawina.
Abakwenza last year sicela bengakuphindi because mina ngikubona kwami nje this is a very, very important event in Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Bulawayo and Mathibelele, no, for the entire region. It's a very, very important. Ungabona abantu bethaba, abantu bezonda, so much enthusiasm, so much interest.
Engagement, like everyone is saying something all of a sudden.
Content, like bakade sebacina ukungena Facebook last year bavumbulukile. It shows something. It says a lot about ama BAs.
Yeah. And also nxa ukade ungakwazi i-Tep 3 events inominatiwe ku category online media, so outstanding online media kule Tep 3 lokunye, so we are so excited about that. We're so excited about that. Like we always say, guys, Tep 3 will give you the best. And Uchina Leslie has got 2 nominations. Interesting. And like I said, most of the craft was crafted kona at Tep 3 event. So it's not only about music. It's just bringing the craft together. And we are vision and we see how we can work on it and cultivate it. And so I'm so grateful to Ikambane Tep 3 events and also to BAA team for recognition. Yeah, Ngovesh.
I think I also have to add ukuthi ama viewers they are the ones who kept us consistent like this. So kumele siba appreciate siyabonga kakhulu. Because they keep us going, hey. And bayenza ukuthi sizizwe silomdladla ukuthi next week we're coming back.
And mina I've recently started having friends that I haven't met. Talking online, ngihlala nihlupha uFanuelo studio Nkomo ungixolele because he's vocal, he's always there, and since day one, Bonjabulo Ndlovu, and to mention just a few, and I don't want to know abantu abanjalo. Every day you wake up and you're like, I need to bath, comb my hair in your studio because someone is waiting
I'm being
for
encouraged kuthiwa ngiyageza so
umuntu ofake comment lana yokugeza ngiyakukhuza. Why is this so? Why? Do you know what I mean? Ngiyageza udlulu no. Ngaze ngakomenta phansi unogeze kawash ngepressure wathi Royal Kawash.
akukhanyi.
But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lingas lahli, and we promise you we shall keep growing because of you guys. We shall keep going. But ziyakhala.
So anyway, sithi amhlophe to the nominees, guys.
Yeah.
Bonke abanominatiweyo abadeservayo labangadeserviyo.
Akula nto njalo. Akula. I don't agree to that. Akulo ngadeserve.
I mean ukhona but ansoze ngimqambe lapha.
Hayi akula.
Mina kimi ukhona ongadeserve.
Uyabona ukuthi
but ansoze ngimqambe.
Mana phela ngikuthi uthi into yakho ninjani no. Why mina ngisithi akulo umuntu ongadeserve. Kulo mfana lo post video echinga lo.
Ubani?
Langa.
Oh, Langa Demand.
Yeah.
I saw that.
And
I saw that.
ungathathi immaturity yakho ifake ebantwini kakhulu. Because ungabe ule point sibili but ubususehlule ukukhuluma.
Packaging and delivery.
And
Packaging and delivery, yes.
then wenzani futhi ngamanye ama brand nxa omunye umntwana osebenza nzima ebhala ingoma ebhadala istudio ebhadala ama rehearsal space release ingoma abese siba lo mnyama wokuthi kathola ama views amaningi wena ubususithi ukhuluma inhlamba wathi mbani lo anti uthini ngaye lwana umntwana ongena estudio and so nxa ule problem maybe lama organizers ungathethisi ama artists akobulawayo ngoba ibulawayo kayisolanga ibulawa lami nginje
right so siyavumelana ukuthi wonke umuntu othethisa ama artists ka deserve
yeah uthethisa ama kanti mbani othethisile kusho ukuthi kungeqile hayi ngiyaxolisa.
Yo guys, what's up? Initially bangicela ukuthi ngayenzi lokho but ngulanga ndimande so recently ku announce amabulawayo Arts Award after a long time of not being there. Shout out to them. They thought they should bring them back. So here's my thing. Clearly, these guys already have had at least abantu vela debekwazi bazaba nominated. They pretended as if bafuna usubmitisa abantu, and this is evident because umdala lapho uMandlela, shout out to him for being an honorable man. Turn it down in nomination. How do you turn down a nomination if you submitted? So it means that vele initially ibizo lakhe belivele likhona. Fine. Ku hip hop category lapha kufakwe uLushishik. Who the fuck is uLushishik? uLushishik ule 100 views la. Lo munye uTeki wathi YouTuber. If you go check out his YouTube channel, the YouTube lengoma e1 nini kuphela. Okunye le YouTube. But uBreezer lo Clive Beats uBreezer lapha uSindize Kasi ule 27,000, ule 10,000 le sorry 11,000, ule almost 9,000 lapha lo SF. How is this not hip hop? How is this not art? Upriza performer eshoko. All right, fine. Skanye uClive, all right. uClive who produce. uClive has produced so many bangers, bro. 300k, 200k. But so here's my thing. Do not call your thing Bulawayo Arts Awards and inqali zafakana ngobungani. Because clearly, this is not about art and this is not about Bulawayo. It's about who you guys know. And you know what the fucked up thing is? All of you won't get nominated. Like, it's just niggas who are above 30, who are old and are doing nothing. You spent your whole life. Ubisele movie Bulawayo look city. Hey, I'm representing Bulawayo. Your music yakho tagwe. It's dindi. Usibisele movie. Kares kulabo boys, they are young kids. I'm a youth who are trying their best, whether dancers or actors or whatnot. But when at your old age, lokho busy ufuna nominate ukuthi sikuqhayezele. Sikuqhayezele for what? For what? Omunye kares uyi best male artist uyakwanza ukompete lo Japreza wena. can you compete with Japreza wena? But ufuna sikuqhayeze amasimba. You guys are too old. You're too old for what you're doing. Stop bringing down our youth. And lastly, guys, do not call them Bulawayo Awards. Call them bedroom ass kissing awards. Because this has nothing to do with Bulawayo. This has not. This This has nothing to. It's just a parade. Abantu abadala who just want to be praised for doing nothing. I've done 20 years. So what? He faults you to you failed to do the same thing for 20 years. Just give up. You sign. Let's go, bro. Let's go. You have failed for 20 years. Let's go.
Wathethi sa ngiyaxolisa kwangiqa.
Anyway.
Alright, so as I was saying, into yenziwe ngulanga and to start saying artist leli alenzi lutho lokho akurongo lokho. Because umuntu lwana usubmitile and wanominate yena kalaqala. Umsebenzi nawenzileyo ukubhala izinto azenzileyo and wasubmit. Then ngumntwana oyinkazana uLuchishiki and then wena nxa usuthethisa uLuchishiki uthi nxa uqeda ukumthethisa ubususitha ama-award lawa ngawe bedroom so uthi uLuchishiki wenzeni ukuthi anominate. That's a very big wrong. That's a very, very big wrong. So bamhlekelela and all that and but mina akungihambelanga kahle
isystem yokuhlekelela ubudlelwano
mina akungihambi because nxa usithi umuntu osebenza nzima esiye studio umuntu lobaba ohlabela because ubaba kaLuchi ngusotsha moya and ubaba la uyahlabela so it means la u-involved entweni lezi art la uyanominate because I remember last award
but I think you have to clarify ukuthi akanominatwanga because of
yes and no I'm simply saying antu baba la ku-art so lapho umntwana athethiswe khona uzabona and lemuli enotorad and wena usuhappy usutholile ama-views akho and olunye ulaka to be honest uyabubona ukuthi umuntu lo kalweli hip hop ulwela ukuthi wayena engekho.
I think enye into esisuwonela i-industry i-paid content because people now do what is called rage baiting and you find ukuthi umuntu usekwazi ukuthi angaposta ubuhle or angaba objective or abe reasonable ekuposteni kwakhe akatholi as much views as nxa engayenza khona kukhona okwenzakeleyo khona phana. So I think enye into esisiphambanisa that's why you find ukuthi I always say ukuthi in the near future we are going to have more content creators than other artists.
Yeah,
we are going to have less actors, less musicians, less all those arts categories. We are going to have more content creators. And I'm not saying content creation is bad, but I think the way it's being done.
And mina ngiyagcina ngithi it's bad because umsindo wonke uqalisele ku content creation. It's a category that was not there emuva ngala. Yafika khathesi. Alright, good different. Anti mina I'm a theater artist and a comedian. And you remember ngangixoxa lawe futhi nsithi ku poetry la ku comedy this year kuyafika because sabe sikwazi like imisebenzi yakho nanti ikithi khona so siyama then ngale manje sikwazi ukuthi kumeasure ngani ukuthi umuntu lo usebenzile.
And I've always said this ukuthi I think they will correct it if I'm wrong. Ama BAAs they once posted ukuthi it's not about the numbers. Kulamanye ama criteria that are being looked into. Cultural relevance, impact, social impact, quality, technical quality, into ezinjalo, they are all factored into award system yankhona. So it's not like if I have 2 followers then I'm not supposed to be nominated or I'm not supposed to win an award. I can have my 2 followers and win the award because ngapha
ukhangelwayo mina ngikwenzile and wena lokho senza
content yakho 10,000 followers zakho but lokho okunye ama boxes ungathikanga to get it.
Yeah.
So and that's why kulomuntu adembuza ku Facebook esithi khona uqambe i-comment asakwazi uthe content creator asakwazi uthe ubani ulama followers amaningi kulo Madlela. So how is Madlela?
Ubesithi Chikaljoy. I saw that.
You saw that?
Yeah.
Ngase ngithi mina, you know what? I'm not saying Chick Aljoy doesn't tick those, but I'm saying there are other criteria ezikhangelwayo nxa kukhangelwa abantu laba abanominatwayo kumbe abantu abawina ama-awards.
Yabona ukuthi i-problem because ungakhangela every year i-hip hop ihlale lo msindo.
Hayi i-hip hop yakazi ukuthi mina I understand. Vele i-hip hop ngabomsindo. Nxa bengabheshananga
hip hop ihlale lo msindo. Then this year with the introduction yeyona le category ama content creators, I knew kuzaba lo msindo. Do you know why? Umuntu angavele aphume esikole bese failile kumbe wapasi O-level. Say igap year yona leyana evemelela ukurepeata okuya ku A-level. Say content creator. Abanye abakwazi lezinto ezenzakala kuma art cycles, ababuyi kuma show, abawazi lama show ayenzakalayo, abawazi ama artists, abakwazi lutho, like abakwazi lutho. All they know is to pick up ifone yami ngingene town ngiqala ukwenza into zami lokushuta inhlamba. Abakwazi like ukuthi then because bekulama content creators amaningi akade sithi asizwanga ngama award. Then there is someone opposite city bekumele ukuthi nxa sebe advertise ama award and bathina njengama content creators bas BAA imlandeni izomtshela ukuthi asisifukwenza nomination then ibona because amapage abalama numbers basebe so yabona umuntu lo blank because thina esisebenza we've been waiting for ama awards since day one. Every day besivula amehlo so simele uthi nomination inini wena ukholisa usenza into zakho egangeni.
I think the sooner we accept this the better. I think kumele accept vele ukuthi i-hip hop category lama content creators besides the issue of the awards, even kungelama awards, so I think it's best to accept ukuthi no, this is normal.
Right, akube normally besilwa bodwa and because awumfana lo delelile lo awudelelile vele akumelanga sikufihle kumbe sikumbambatha and awukhulumi njalo. Number 1 nxa ukhuluma labantu abangakuzala
disrespect
awukhulumi nje kulendlela ezinengi ezokukhuluma into ekhubileyo
uzwakale futhi
uzwakale and ngike ngabona even uJaro ecomment and ebuza nje ukuthi why uMahlalela enganominatwanga and into yakhe ubeyifake ukuthi la uyabala uthi ya uyasebenza uMahlalela and nxa ungamazi then usuhamba la ususayicheck ukuthi uyasebenza phela uMahlalela and
but usubmitile yini
ukusubmita aso problem to submitile enxa usubmitile laba abafakiweyo batholakala ukuthi balakho yena ngelakho because ukusubmit is not a guarantee ukuthi uzangena lapha and because uchaza Leslie doesn't mean you deserve an award. Kukhona abakukhangela uzakubona ukuthi uyahamba eMpivini ku competition yamakhwaya lonke solithabile solisithi ikhwaya lani yenze kuhle la uzokuthiwa ama vibrator wenu la kade lwenza bengekho escriptini bese li vibrator kodwa tense isithabi behlabela kuhle so kule team ehlala phansi khulume ngakho and so uma wena uyi1 usithi angikwazi ukuthi ama award asubmitwe nga khona kube lama submissions are over 1000 uthini kanti nxa usithi asizwanga it was less marketed over 1000 artists submitted and when we won uthi less marketed
indaba leyan mina I think I'm both sides though. As an artist auntie we have always said it's a craft that you have to treat as a business. A business person uhlezi edinga information, always researching, kumele on the top all the time. If you're into business. So the same applies if you're into arts. Make sure what you have information, guys. It's very, very important.
True.
Information is important. Whether you have to always be up to date with things that are happening in your industry. Lawo ngumlando wakho ukuthi ube up to date ngento ezenzakala ku industry if you are an artist and so ongazwanga i-problem yakhe ukuthi kazwanga
yeah, say that again.
right bese ngikhulumela ukuthi and then bese mbuya ekuthini ama-BAAs we were no longer sure ukuthi kusaqhutshekwa kumbe sokumile ngoba kwezinye izikhathi anti sasibone nxa kuthiwa soku-open ukuthi abantu basubmit ama-nominations ama-BAAs, they're always noisy about it. Noisy everywhere. Says, have you submitted your lokuzenini yet? You know, even on their page, you will find ukuthi nxa uvula vele almost ngeviki uthola maybe beku-announce twice, something like that. So, khathesi ubusithi ungavula nti you find ukuthi kwakhulunywa ngakho sokulwezinye izinto ezipostiweyo nothing to do with submissions or you find ukuthi sokule viki ipage inactive you get it. So I think it's both sides ukuthi artist wena as an artist ngumlando wakho to find information ngumlando wakho to be up to date. Ibusiness phela le antu udinga imali. Yes, so umuntu udinga imali vele uhlale ekhangela ukuthi khathesi kuyini okuhambayo kwenzakalani yabo.
At Deb3 Investments, we deliver excellence through 3 specialized portfolios. That is, Deb3 Events, Deb3 Studio, and Deb3 Media. Our events division offers professional PA system hire, lighting, and stage solutions, backed with skilled technicians ensuring exceptional sound and presentation. Deb3, your satisfaction, our priority. Visit us today at our offices, Office 11, Usain Building, located along Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue, or connect with us through social media. That is, Deb3 Events across Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Or give a call or a text on +263 71 691 9313. That is, +263 716 919 313. Or email us at deb3.3@gmail.com.
Then Lama BAAs as a big institution esiyaziyo thina, they also have to pull up ama-socks in terms of marketing and all that. Khathesi uku-announcewa kwama-lokuzenini kwama-nominees, usually we always have a countdown. Kuthe nominees on Friday, 5 days to go, 4 days to go, 3 days to go. We sasibe lakho konke, but asizange saba lakho. Sapho ukuze ukuthi kuthiwa ama-nominees kusasa. Uyabo? So I think labo basilele khona lapho
yeah, of which I agree, but also it comes back to a point oyikhulumileyo, a point involvement, because ungakhangela thina esi-involved ku-art kakhulu as break, we understand. Because just before submission kumele ivalent, we lost to Sconge. Our focus, including abantu be-BAA, it shifted because we've lost a year. Sahlala less than a month, we lost to Umoyoxide. And vele, sikhuluma ngabantu aba-involved laba, and asikhulumi ngama-ghost. So, information iyalahleka somehow. So I'm not saying abakwenzileyo ku-right, and but I'm saying nxa ukade ukhona lawo company ezimfeni zama-artist la ukhona ngomba iduzane kukhona 1 or 2 obukuthola even ungekho online nje la ubuzisisa ukuthi emfeni kaMoyoxide kuhamba njani or writer ulandela ipoet emfeni kaSkhonjwa kuhamba njani anti ubuzabuza lawa uyabuthola. But abantu abaningi mina vele into le yansuzinyekela uyikhuluma abantu abaningi especially abalomsindo ama-content creators ona lawa msindo, you don't see them anyway. Akula ndawo okuthiwa uyabathola lapha kumbe lapha basemafonini abo kuphela, then lokungama-gathering ongane ngamavuzo so kwabantwana so yikho bathola khona beseqayeqa khompana beseqayeqa betrenda because i-following yabeningi isebantwaneni besikolo. So
but you know what, Leslie, ngubambe khona lapho still on the issue ukuthi i-BAA kube lezi mfana sorry to use this example. I-Econet ayisozivale ngoba uStrive sefile.
I-Econet.
I'm going somewhere with this, son. And when remember, sithi ama-BAAs, it's a big institution. Aso small institution njengokuthi Royal Shine kawasho ukuthi ngafa mina abafana bazavala. And it's a big institution and it has a lot of people abayibumbayo ukuthi ize ibe ngama-BAAs
abangama-artist
abangama-artists, yes. And you will find ukuthi there is someone responsible for marketing, for PR, for social media management. Auntie, in as much kwenzakele lokho kwenzakeleyo, they still had the responsibility to keep the institution going. Because singaphika ngakhona kan kungenzakala phela ukuthi kufa omunye umuntu ukuthi uyakusela ama-BAAs. If such a huge institution can be affected to that extent, uSkhonjwe was not ngingazi, but I don't think he was part of the administration kuma-BAAs.
I think he was, because ulo ngesikhathi esuka, if you remember the last BAAs, nguye owabonga ubusisa.
No, even if he was, my point still stands.
No, I understand.
Keep the institution going. I think siyake sizwe ngasixoxa abantu ukuthi ama businesses, for example, sorry, I'm going to keep on using the businesses. Ama businesses abantu abamnyama amaningi, they fall because of that. Ukuthi kungathwa sokube lo monakalo ngikhaya, shop sivalile. Iyavala iviki yonke. You get it? Kumbe i-service delivery isi-reducile because sokube lo monakalo. Black businesses, most of them, they do that. And I don't think because kuhlala kusenzakala, I don't think it makes it a good thing.
Yeah. Mina ngingazi njalo because anti ngiumuntu okwazi mbijana in terms of business. And but nizabuyela futhi ku-example yakho ye-Econet. Econet even Karesa kulabantu abagcwele e-office abathengisa ama-airtime and siyakwazi ukuthi i-art yethu yeZimbabwe asingeke sikwanise ukuba labantu ababa khona every day nje aba-Econet abaholisana.
Yeah.
So it means umuntu uyabe sebenza ku-BAA uyabe sebenza futhi kwenye indawo. There's a high possibility of that.
That's what the problem is.
Akusoze kwenze vele because
that's what the
who's
problem
funding
is.
BAA, Karesa?
No, that's what the problem is, auntie. You can't say ukuthi umuntu onguye osebenza ngapha, nguye osesebenza ngale. Seliphoza nga.
Angikhulumeli ekumena nti. Ngikhuluma ukuthi i-commitment eka sales, because utsisula no dopa amafoni e-Econet. Usebenza ukudopa amafoni e-Econet kuphela nti. Ungena ngo-7 echayisa kumbe ngo-5 whatever nti edopa amafoni kuphela nti. Akulo kunya kwenza kungathiwa sokulezibi lapha akasukuma ukuyathanyela lapha udopa amafoni. But ngapha ku-art, whether you are running a festival, whether you are running what, and akubi njalo vele.
Guys, this is a critical. Uyazi uthini? Anti it's a team. Kulomunye umuntu okuthi.
No, anyali, I agree. Mina I agree with you, and but lapha mina mbuyela ku reality ye-art yeZimbabwe.
Yeah.
Ukuthi asimekeleni ucritical udlani.
Khathi ube vele sidlani.
Antu besebenza ngayo.
So kube lo monakalo ikho lapho sokuthiwa udlani.
Ungalahleki. Sensukile emonakalweni. Ngithi mina vele we can't have a hands-on thing ku-art like Econet. It can't be like that.
No, I was not saying let's be like Econet. I was using Econet as an example to say keep the institution going.
Yes, I agree. 100%.
Ngoba I think it's just sikhuluma lapha sakhuluma ngendaba ye-consistency. Consistency keeps you going. It iyenza ukuthi i-brand layo ibe lesisindo and all that. So khangela khathesi last year ama-BAAs abengekho for a totally different reason. Hanti saphiwa ama-dates ukuthi umnyaka ozayo kuyenzakala so. And sithole sokube lama-delays and sokupostpone. To the extent yokuthi ama-BAAs asekusame day lama-praca. So kuze kwacompromisewa ukuthi okay ama-praca aseyayenziwa ekuseni, ama-BAAs ayenziwe ntambama. Ikanti-ke ngabe they because they had more than a year to organize for this. And ukuthi ngabe bathe madoda lapha ama-dates nanga. Let's work with these dates. kanti ngabe akuzange kube lokuthi kuthiwa sesisiya kuDecember sekuqalisa ukuhlalwa phansi lamapraka sokuthwani, and mind you on the 20th I think there are 2 more events, and into esake sakhuluma ngayo I think I was with Mzi ukuthi iproblem enye khona ukuthi ama events la, if they are big events ungani balalokhana ukuthi kuhle kufakwe same day. Ayisoqala into leyisenzakala ukuthi you find big events koBulawayo esenzwa same day. I think these ama events anjengana lawa it's the same sector. Why kungasetshenzwa ndawonye ukuthi hayi mhla ka20 kulozibani, let's not put this thing on the 20th. And ama BAs, if they had stuck to their schedule, this would have not happened.
Right. Kulento kumele sinanzelele, and I think into lesingayinanzelela izasisiza. Ayikhona khathana ngabo 2010 2012 I think kuphelele kwambayo bo 2012 and ama events ayikhona lawa awogida ukuthi kuthiwa sokubuye artist lizohlabela. Ama events nje ukuthi nje ama festivals and bekusenzakala kakhulu koBulawayo more than anywhere. And khathesi ungakhangela akula festival consistent koBulawayo, and the only thing esesisele is consistent ngabo shutdown labo Garden of House and what and but ukuthi kuthiwa kule poetry lembube la akusela nto consistent khathesi koBulawayo and
i-Deb3 is consistent yo
no,
enkundleni.
I yenzi khona lokho engutsho I saw festival
no I felt like pointing it out.
Alright, so because akusela ngitsho one oku consistent mesisibuza ukuthi why singabakwazi ukuthi why kungela ngitsho one, because even recently there was
obviously the answer
i-122 comedy festival and i-festival but kucwela abantwana besikole.
Obviously let's say the answer is the major answer is obviously going to be resources, but last year we were told ukuthi akula content and into engayiphikisa yena leyo ukuthi kuthiwa
no mina do you know ukuthi why ngifuna ukuthi umbuzo nalo uhlale ubuziwa nje ngenzela ukuthi if we agree ukuthi i-answer i-resource ingaba khona then sicela ukutshintsha. If we then agree all of us ukuthi i-answer because kumele sibe kwazi ukuthi why yonke into ingekho consistent koBulawayo specifically. So where is the problem? Because umbuzo lo asikawudingi asikazibuza ukuthi problem inga, because khona okwenziwe ngama-BAA and ukuthi ama-dates ayitshintsha, it's not only them. Everything that happens koBulawayo izothiwa sokutshintsha umhla ka-17 sokutshintshile njalo njalo. So if we then know ukuthi i-problem yakhona ibanga, I think kuzasiza ukuthi nalami ngizababuza abadala kari i-problem esihlangana layo inga ama-answer, because angani-shutdown yenzakala madoda ayiyekeli i-resource yakhona ivela so bona laba abafaka i-resource ku-shutdown okwenza bangafaki ngapha kuyini, akukho kuhle yini kuyini, because uzananzela ukuthi i-problem aso resource.
It's something
so
else.
Ngabe kulokunye nje esingafisa ukuxoxa ngakho
plus enye into anti thina sikhuluma from outside. So you find ukuthi phakathi khona ngale the problem is deeper than it looks. Then moving on to the good. Besides your category.
I was talking to the boys yesterday and I was like, guys, I feel like not going to the awards.
But why on earth would you do that?
Akula skhathi esibuhlungu njengokuthi undoda lawo lebhonga esesithi and the nominees are abezekhuluma General Leslie, Bongeni Ignatius, Frank Chirisa, Tejuni, and the winner is yabona isikazwana lesana ezokumelela ukuthi undoda lo avule i-envelope eposuwe.
But you know what? I think I am sure.
But I'm so excited.
Like I'm positive which you're going to get. If not both, you're going to get one.
Hey, zakala lapha.
Where's Uchinan? Kati
ubonile ukuthi umngane wami unominatiwe
uba
uAbigail.
Your favorite.
Coco Abi. Coco Abi.
So Abigail Mabuza vele vote la.
Mina I vote for Abigail Mabuza across all category. Lapha kulo Mabuza. Ungabona ucategory yakho kulo Mabuza obakwazi ukuthi Leslie uvetele Mabuza. Bangafeva bayize kuphela bamfaka ku People's Choice usele vote eyi1. Abigail. Big fan.
Uyamthanda shem. But besides that, mina let's just appreciate ama BAs.
Yeah.
Into yethu it's lathi silakho kwethu because hey abantu babekhala okwayenza ama BAs abekhona ukuthi abantu babekhala.
No, mina lami nginje njenge artist elifuna ukuya khatshana kula lapha engikhona. Loba nje mfana lo besithi yes over 30 sesikhulile lamanga lo ngikhona siqala manje. Ngikhona siqala and karezi nxa wena ucawanti ngokwabo fomthulo ogwayi ngokwabadala lokuzaqala mfana. Karezi maye ngona siqala ukushikisha yikubona sile 32 sikuma upcoming kuthiwa newcomer. Ngona siqala fa. Right.
But la uzakhula umfana lo.
Yeah, uzakuzwisisa. I was saying kulama category engangikwazi ukuthi azangichayisa ngekhanda. And then ngithe wakhangele so ngathi la ojaji labadle phana la. Category ye poetry.
Yes. I poetry ziyabuya. Yes. I poetry.
I have 3 favorites in that category. I have 3 people that I love so much. Omunye I think ukuthi bengingamazi.
I'm actually checking this other category.
I actually have 4. Yo nkosi yami. Bonke bongo 4. It's people that I watch because we create Africa. They are doing shows almost every fortnight. Alliance Frank Rees ngale under Socks. And then Africas. Yakhumbula sikhuluma ngeshow yakhe. Lama light amaningi i1 man anti. Matoda kulo songomozi.
I was actually talking about
Matoda
it.
kulo Thaluso.
Kuthaluso.
Category lena icategory lena kayivalwe. Afuna ukuyibona.
Laphana kuyafiwa lapha.
Afuna ukuyibona icategory leya.
Laphana kuyafiwa lapha.
How do you choose a winner from that?
Another one. Outstanding alternative music.
Kule mathonga amahle. Lami ngiyafuna
Abigail Mabuza.
Ku alternative. I thought ukhuluma irumba.
Kulo Bhila. Dziba lemvula. Wena.
Wena alternative.
Nansi
Oh.
Matojeni.
And
Hayi vele laphana kurongo lapha.
Matojeni is on tour.
Laphana kurongo.
So they were on tour recently, auntie. Matojeni.
Laphana kurongo.
Filled Bulawayo Theatre and he's still madoda. Lapha kanti ukhethwa njani?
Mina kodwa uBlack Diva ngawina. Hayi, I give up.
Lina anti leyalo. Mina kangibi laye but uBlack Diva this year ngawini lutho.
Ama list la ngakhulule ama criteria la uBlack Diva ngaphandle kwama followers uthika nga.
Hayi ngaboni lapha.
Wena
ngaboni.
Social impact, cultural relevance.
La ku outstanding song of the year ubonita ko right lapha.
Outstanding song of the year angilayo la. Sloban.
Outstanding song of the year. Let me call the. Ingoma kuthiwa ngu Soft Life. Outstanding.
Shame.
Yes, outstanding song of the year.
Shame.
Kulo Mr. Bonzo.
But yazuthi into kumele bayibonge icategory naleyani. Ukuthi imali yesigweja irelease late.
But
uFebG
kule ngoma leyana ethi faka 2 phezulu kwebhodlela. Ingoma leyana vele ngabe ingoma le ithaya kakhulu leya.
You're right.
Ithaya kakhulu leya.
You're right.
Ube yangena ku competition. Umalekweje. Ubeza ngena but akula guarantee. Ngoba
Yeah,
even
yeah,
ungayithi
yeah.
vu.
Yes.
Ivuvukile sibili yavuvuka.
Now that you mention it, now that you mention it, yes. Yo.
Then mina
uthulile vele,
enye icategory engichazileyo ngezona lezi zamakatali because kule category lamathunga amahle lo Godolude lo Mr Bones.
Which one is that?
Chiblika Rumba.
Yes.
Uyavota njani? Uyavota njani? Kulo Godolude kulamathunga amahle kulo Mr Bones category 1 uyavota njani?
Yeah.
So yikubona nsithi mina yes sokungabe kule 1 or 2 ama problem and but ungananzelela 80% mina I think 80% of abantu abalapha ba deserve.
Phela nje mina angisho ukuthi
Yeah, hayi lapho sesivumelana
just a few, 1 or 2
abangadeserve phela abalutshwane lapha. So ama award are right.
Nalombuzo category number 20 outstanding kwaito house com amapiano artist we-8.
Yes, uyayenza amapiano. What's the name of the song?
Eish, ama genre
We
ahlupha
keep
vele.
last year. I've forgotten the name.
Doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi
Ungabi ngulanga.
No, but he's asking respectfully.
No. What I'm saying is, it's right not to know. Eh? It's okay.
No,
not
what
to
answers?
know.
What answers?
No,
So, you know what?
it's okay not to know the artist.
Uyakwazi ukuthi-
Then ungakabuza ukuthi ungene njani, hambe dinga. Then ungaswela sosithi ungene njani.
Sometimes umuntu uyabumaza and knowing the songs but the genre because khathesi these days
Genre la ilengaki
khathesi-
ngicombalele uthi lengaki. Listen to this.
ilolati
Hayi ngithi
amapiano what?
i-infovani.
kwaito house com amapiano those 4.
Yes.
so uCalvin ukuyiphi
Uyakwana kumapiano, it does amapiano.
akakho kubo alternative music le lana
No, Kevin Mangena is not hip hop, it's Afro pop and amapiano.
Yeah.
Amapiano not hip hop, it doesn't do hip hop.
Yeah, yabona ukuthi
Uyakwazi ukuthi
It doesn't do hip hop, it is, we have a feature. We have a feature. So we are cross. Kunzima kwinto lo. No, mina my only disappointment kuma video. I saw 2 good videos. I think I spoke about them. A video ka Noluntu J. Top 7 le video ka Kwezi uMasibambaneni. Then kulamanye ama video alaphana embona ngathi mepe nxe kukhona okunye mepe ngingakwaziyo ama adjudicator kwaziyo but embona ngathi for example I video ka Calvin Mangena usukuma makubone I video nje.
okay
And so yikuthi angikwazi ukuthi kukhethwa ngani and ama video lawo ngaqambayo ukuthi nje aphume maybe khathesi so maybe ngxenya
Now-
kwana next year
now
ngoba
the thing
ekanoluntu inhle madodi
the
video
thing about ama awards and the thing about ama awards is that I think it's okay. That's why we're having this conversation
Yeah,
today, and that's why we are having it discourses like on social media.
Yeah.
The thing about ama awards, whichever country, vele akukaze kwavunyelwana.
ya kumelanga vele ngoba sokuvunyelwa
Akukaze kwavunyelwana.
I remember a year in South Africa. You remember ingoma uHololo? Ale ilali
Oh yes,
You remember?
yes.
Ingoma lena I think yayile 5 ama nominations. And yayigidwa yonke ndawo. Bayenzani ngo hell no. OMT. Ayithathanga ngitsho 1 and uPepsi Dumo ngowe performer ukuvala like the whole thing and so sometimes it's not about umsindo langa. Kukhona ukhangelwayo fa oqhakathekileyo.
Sicela ukuvala. Anyway, guys, you know what? Like I said, it has been a very exciting week, and I think up to the 20th of December,
Yeah.
which is the day of the awards, it's going to be a very exciting period. And sizavota and kuthiwa ama-tickets aseqalisa ukuthengiswa $10
Yeah.
asikeze ukuthi ama-VVIP abe imalini, but hey, I'm looking forward to the awards day, I'm looking forward to the outfits, I'm looking forward to the turn up. So sizabona ke mhla ka-20, so sesivala la sesigqiba, yes,
yeah,
and I think singatshona sikhuluma ama-awards, hey i-episode ingekele ukuphela.
Yeah, yeah.
Ingekele ukuphela because there is a lot that we can talk about. Asisakhulumanga ngoMadleli ukudecline i-nomination yakhe. I think maybe we can talk about it next week since ama-awards esasekhona up to December. But anyway, sibonge kakhulu guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in enkundleni esiyiphathelwa ke yi-Deb3 Events, your trusted partner guys when it comes to events planning and management.
Yeah.
Sengiqhubela wena.
Oh, mina anti nxa sengikhuluma kumele mbe practice speech ngithi kuthiwa speech ukhuluma isikhobo nje.
It wasn't easy. Oh my God.
we worked so hard day and night with my team. Yo.
Mina lami sengithandulula i-tissue sengikunika.
Senginika, oh my God, you know, to the young people out there, let's keep
And
working.
when you're doing this, why am I thinking of Dijun?
Okay, it has been an interesting episode. Bakithi ngiyariyesa limvotele lingikhulekele and wish me all the best. Mina kuyinto lokhu ngiyakufuna ongakufuniyo swim mina ngiyakufuna okuyinto lokhu. All right. So it has been an interesting episode enkundleni exclusive, and because of enkundleni exclusive, because of touch and move, because of ingwalo labalobi and all the good works, our Deb3 events, we have a nomination also as a Deb3. So either way, nyabe ntwele something. Either way, nyabe ntwele something. So, well, siyabonga kakhulu. Continue to subscribe, continue to like, continue to share, tell a friend to tell a friend about Enkundleni exclusive episodes. And I love those comments. Siyaxoxa and abanye bantshela ukuthi wena vawula manga asuyivele amanga abusisa. So thank you so much for engagement. Let's continue to talk. Lapho siphambanise khona lisitshele kuhle. Singali. So let me also hear your views and comments about everything that we have talked about. Litini, sitini ngama hours, sitini ngokuqhakathekiswa kwama artists to sitini ngakho konke nje okwenzakalayo. What's your take about the issue yama hours? Then labana ababe besiye church very soon sithandazela upapa sibona ukuthi ukuhamba njani ngale, because what is a church without apples bakithi? Yes, senze njani bakithi kungasela ama apples. But I think there are a lot of people abasejele ababedinga umuntu ongabe laye bakhuthaza ngelizwi.
Anyway, guys, follow Deb3 Events across all media platforms. Ikona Deb3 Events, ikona ku social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, ikona. Lathi thina ama hosts khona njalo ku social media. Mina Nondudu Zoncube across all platforms.
Yeah, and
General
mina,
Leslie
General
Laye.
Leslie, mina ngi award winning General Leslie across all platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, Enkundleni exclusive salibona singalikakela.